TGIF, I literally just remembered to vlog. Working out 5 days straight, so that's good. I'm very proud of myself. This week, basically, I've been staying at home. Obviously, because we're still in the CMCO 2.0. Just been doing some mundane stuff and just catching up on Netflix. I cannot believe I finished watching The Vampire Diaries, all 8 seasons. I finished watching Emily in Paris in just one evening. I finished watching the Blackpink documentary. I finished watching The Haunting of at Bly Manor. Oh my gosh. So that's what I've been doing, okay? And it's Friday now. I haven't vlogged. I haven't picked up my camera since Monday. So anyway, today I'm just going to take it easy. I've been taking it easy the whole week. And I'm just going to go down to settle some of my bills. And then I've got a couple of work bits and pieces here to do. And apart from that, I am going to make some cookies. I'm gonna make myself some dinner. And yeah, so it's TGIF for me. I hope you guys are taking care and staying clean, staying hydrated. That's very important. I realize a lot of times when I'm at home or when I'm filming home content, stuff like this, vlogging home content, I really look a mess. Like I either just finish shower with wet hair or just finish my workout with wet outfit, wet hair again. So yeah, I apologize for that. Okay, Adulting 101 done for today. Okay guys, it's a bit later on now. It's, oh my gosh, it is 20 minutes past 4. Look what I'm gonna make! Chocolate chip cookies! So ingredients are simple, just this mix, 1 egg and half a cup of butter. Let's go. Ooh, oven preheated. Ta-da! This will go in the oven for 20 minutes. Alright, so while waiting, I'm just going to go on my laptop and do some work and finish up by 5:30. Fingers crossed. And they're done! Smells good. And then I'm also making spaghetti for dinner. Mushroom sauce cooking.
Thanks for dinner, Alice.
Oh, no problem. Was it nice?
Nice.
Alright. Shall we give this a go?
I'm just gonna have one quick.
Yeah.
What's this?
It's a cookie pizza.
Yeah.
Ooh. Let's try it. Betty Crocker has done it again.
Who's Betty Crocker?
You know the cupcake mix and all that by Betty Crocker. That's her.
So it's crunchy on the outside.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. So.
Good morning, everyone. Wow, that literally is my morning voice, but yeah, it is Tuesday today. It's the next week already. I can't believe the last time I picked up my camera was on Friday, but I need to get a hang of this whole vlogging thing again while staying at home. But yeah, today the CMCO 2.0 is supposed to end, but yesterday at the press conference it's been extended for 2 more weeks. So that's the situation in Malaysia now, and the CMCO 2.0 is expected to last until 9th of November. So yeah, that's currently what's happening, and the whole week I have just been staying at home, also busy packing up stuff because I am gonna be moving, and like my housemate is gonna be moving out. I'm gonna be moving as well, so we've been busy doing that. Besides that, nothing much has really been going on. Just trying to stay safe. Yesterday, the number hit an all-time high. Like, it was 1,000 and something. I don't know. It's, well, so that's why they decided to extend it. I decided to skip my workout because I am suffering from a left shoulder pain kind of thing. And yeah, so I'm gonna take it easy today. I'm not too sure if I've ever said this in a vlog before, but I do keep a diary, and I do write down stuff that has been bothering me and stuff like that. So yeah, today I feel like I am in a very good head space right now, and also I do have free time because now, like at this time, I'm supposed to be working out, but I've decided to skip workout like I said. So I'm going to fill in my diary. The last time I written was on the 17th of October, so that's quite recent. And these are things that I need to stick to. Some of the things I'm going to write today, I have to stick to it. Like, because sometimes feelings change, and because now I know that I'm in a very, very clean and clear headspace, I'm going to write it down and I'm going to follow it so that I don't go off course. A bit later on now. It is 15 minutes past 2. Something wrong with my fan in the room. See, it just won't turn on. So the owner has arranged for a guy to come and install a new fan for me. So I am going to have to clean up my room a little bit. Alright, goodbye old fan. Alright, finally got my new fan. Happy weekend, everyone. Happy Saturday. It is Saturday, and yeah, excuse this because I got some injection done the other day. There. But I just thought I would vlog today to kind of wrap up the October. Today I've got something exciting planned. I'm going to be shooting a TV program, so let's go. Okay, at work now, my outfits, and we're gonna go get hair and makeup done. There we go. Right, let's go. Hi, boss. Hi, hi. My makeup artist for today. Hi. Okay. Shall we?
Yeah, shall we start?
Yes. So this is before shot, nothing there. Oh my god. So this is the set for today. So we have Santa and his elf over there. Christmas trees. It's the Christmas exchange time. I'm gonna exchange Diana for... How is the love? Showtime, guys. We are done! Okay, hi guys. It is 40 minutes past 9, And if you're wondering why I look like this, it's because I just filmed a video. And these are the gifts that I won! I'm gonna open them later after I have my dinner. But it was a fun day, it was a fun shoot. Definitely had fun. And we were just saying, like, we were talking about the irony. It is Halloween tonight, but we're filming a Christmas themed, well, a Christmas show, basically a Christmas show. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna remove the rest of my makeup and I'm gonna have dinner, order pizza, and then I'm gonna do my little unboxing. And yeah, that's about it. Whew. Makeup off, comfy clothes on. Ooh, last one. Glasses on. And pizza is here. Oh my god, yes. I'm gonna eat this. Yes.
You wash your hand.
Yep, of course. You are sick. The barbecue sauce is just awesome. Flippity flip. I feel like I always let go every time I finish a TV, but a bit later on now. Yep, midnight. And it's present time! I almost want to wait until it is Christmas to open it, but I don't think I can wait that long. So, what's this? What's this? K Essentials. Oh! Mini slicer and egg beater. Nice! Oh, this one was the Secret Santa kind of gift exchange. Let's see. Oh, this is nice, Christy Ng. That's very nice. It's a wallet. It's a purse. Wow. Let's move on to this one. Ooh. Oh my god, it's a blender! Now on to gift number 3. Oh, what is this? Oh, these are storage containers. Look. Moving on to the biggest one! This is the last one that I won. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Oh my god, this is exactly what I wanted. I wanted to get this. A pillow, like a memory kind of foam pillow. These are literally all the things that I need. Oh, hello everyone. I just wanted to come in and end the vlog because I feel like that vlog ended abruptly after me opening the gifts, but yeah, the gifts are still there and I'm so happy. But yeah, I'm just gonna say it here that I will not be vlogging. I will not be uploading a weekly vlog because I'll be uploading 7 videos for before my birthday. So yeah, I will see you guys after my birthday. Bye!